Welcome to Tech Fact, where we bring you the latest and most trusted reviews on today's top-performing gear. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best tennis rackets of 2025, the ultimate lineup built for power, precision, and pure court domination. Whether you're a seasoned player chasing that perfect baseline rhythm or a rising star looking to add more spin and control to your game, these rackets deliver unbeatable performance. From the explosive Babolat Pure Drive 11th Gen to the ultra-smooth Yonex Ezone 100, each model on our list has been tested and proven to elevate your play. We'll break down what makes each racket stand out, from feel, comfort, and spin potential to all-around power. So grab your racket bag, get ready to serve, and let's jump straight into the action with Tech Fact. Number 5. Tecnifibre 305S, 2025, Tennis Racket. The Tecnifibre 305S, 2025, is designed for precision players who crave speed, spin, and superior feel. Its 98 square inch head and 18 by 19 string pattern deliver outstanding control, while the updated frame technology gives it more responsiveness and a cleaner impact feel. The racket swings fast, making it perfect for players who take the ball early and like to dictate play with aggressive precision. It rewards solid technique, providing excellent directional control and a crisp, connected response when striking cleanly. Spin generation feels natural, and its balance between power and finesse makes it a top choice for competitive intermediates and advanced players. While the smaller sweet spot may be less forgiving on off-center shots, skilled players will appreciate its stability and feedback. The Tecnifibre 305S is for those who love accuracy and sharp shot making, a racket built for players who rely on timing, precision, and confidence to control the rhythm of every rally. Number 4. Wilson Clash 100 V3 Tennis Racket. The Wilson Clash 100 V3 is all about comfort, flexibility, and effortless playability. Known for its arm-friendly feel, this racket blends advanced technology with a forgiving design that suits players of all skill levels. Its unique frame flexes on impact, providing control without sacrificing power, making it ideal for long hitting sessions. The Clash 100 V3 delivers a smooth and stable response from the baseline, with plenty of spin potential for heavy topspin hitters. It's maneuverable at the net, allowing for quick reactions and confident volleys. Players love its easy swing feel and how it reduces vibration, making it perfect for those with arm sensitivity or tennis elbow concerns. While it's not the heaviest hitter, its control and comfort make it a favorite among modern players who want a blend of power, spin, and flexibility. For anyone seeking a racket that feels easy yet powerful, the Clash 100 V3 hits the perfect balance of innovation and comfort. Number 3. Head Gravity Tour Tennis Racket. The Head Gravity Tour is the definition of precision and feel. Built for players who love to construct points with control and finesse, this racket delivers a buttery smooth response on every shot. The 98 square inch head and 16 by 19 string pattern offer a great mix of spin and precision, while the updated auxetic technology gives better feedback and stability during off-center hits. Its flexible frame allows for confident touch shots and slices, yet it's solid enough to redirect pace when needed. Ground strokes come off the strings with a connected, natural feel, and the racket's balance helps maintain consistency across long exchanges. It's best suited for advanced players who value control and smooth feedback over raw power. The Gravity Tour shines for those who rely on placement, timing, and clean technique to outsmart their opponents. In the hands of a skilled player, this racket feels like an extension of your arm, offering ultimate confidence and command. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 11th Gen Tennis Racket. The Babolat Pure Drive 11th Gen continues its legacy as the ultimate power racket for aggressive baseliners. Designed for players who love dominating with explosive ground strokes, this latest generation brings improved comfort with a more refined flex that absorbs shock without losing intensity. It's incredibly responsive, offering fast acceleration and tons of spin potential to keep opponents on their heels. The Pure Drive's open string pattern and aerodynamic frame make it easy to whip through the ball for heavy topspin shots. Its feel is livelier yet more arm-friendly than previous versions, giving players more control over placement and trajectory. While it thrives on baseline power, it remains quick at the net for confident volleys. Ideal for intermediate to advanced players, the Pure Drive 11th Gen rewards those who swing big and play bold. It's a powerhouse racket that lets you dictate every rally with pace, spin, and style on any court surface. Number 1. Yonex Unisex Ezone 100 Tennis Racket. The Yonex Ezone 100 is a dream racket for players seeking the perfect mix of power, control, and comfort. Its 100 square inch head and isometric design create a generous sweet spot, making every hit feel crisp and confident. With improved stability and vibration dampening, it gives a cleaner, more connected feel on impact. From the baseline, it delivers explosive spin and depth, while the lightweight frame ensures swift maneuverability at the net. Serves pop effortlessly, letting you generate pace without straining your arm. Whether you're an intermediate or advanced player, this racket feels balanced and reliable during long rallies. The Ezone 100 is all about easy power and all-court versatility, ideal for aggressive players who also appreciate touch and precision. If you crave a racket that keeps up with fast rallies but still feels smooth on contact, the Yonex Ezone 100 stands out as one of the most well-rounded rackets of 2025. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best tennis rackets of 2025, each built to bring out your best game, whether you're serving aces or dominating from the baseline. From explosive power to unmatched control, these rackets prove why they're the top picks this year. Don't forget, all the products featured in this video are available in the description below, so check them out for more details. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Fact, and stay tuned for more informative and tech top best product reviews.